Hello, let's do Adventist Sudoku, day 24. If you're not familiar with Adventist Sudoku, then definitely check out the links in the description. There's one for a PDF with all the puzzles up to today, as well as a link to a playlist where you can watch from day 1 up through every video I've made. And in day 1, I do describe what this is all about. So this is day 24. It is Christmas Eve tonight, and this puzzle is called Hush Designs. As always, it's by Kinnison. So we have normal, irregular 6x6 rules. So this is another combination of constraints we've used before. So instead of our normal 2x3 boxes, that would be here, 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 etc. Instead, we have irregular regions. And so this is a region, this is a region, this is a region, etc. that work just like boxes, except they're differently shaped. In addition to that, we have purple lines in the grid, which are Renban lines. They have to be a consecutive set of digits in any order. So I could do, for example, 3, 2, and 4. 2, 3, and 4 are indeed consecutive, so this would be fulfilled. And also, we have green lines. Green lines are called usually German whisper lines. And in this case, digits that are adjacent on the line have to have a difference of at least 3. So if I put a 1 here, I have to have a difference of at least 3, so this would be 4, 5, or 6. Let's say I pick the 6, then I could go down to, say, 2 if I wanted to, because that's a difference of 4. Just has to be at least 3. What I can't do is put a 4 here, because that has a difference of 2. All right, so those are all the rules. Definitely give it a try yourself, and I'm going to restart and start now. So, how do we want to approach this first? Well, up in the top row here, this is going to be, we have to put a 1 somewhere. That's probably the best way to think about it. Wherever we put the 1, that's going to make the Renban 1, 2, 3, and then the other one's going to be 4, 5, 6. So we also know that these 3 cells need to go in this region somewhere, and they don't go here, so they go down here. So these 3 cells are these 3 cells. And so what that means is if I tried to make this 4, 5, 6, I would now need to make these 4, 5, 6, but the 6 is already used in the column. So we actually can distinguish these. This is 1, 2, 3. This is 4, 5, 6. This is not the 6. And the 1, 2, 3 goes down here. So this is 4 or 5. So from the 4 or 5, we have to go to 1, 2, or 3. Sorry, 1 or 2 only. If I put a 3 here, this would have to be a 6, and it can't be. So that's from either we're going to go exactly 4, 1, or we're going to go 5 with a 1 or a 2. What else can we do here? Well, we know that this 4, 5, 6 also goes over here. We can fill that, which means these are 1, 2, or 3. So this is going to be 4, 5, 6. And actually, one thing we can learn, because we always have a difference of 3, we could call 1, 2, 3 low and 4, 5, 6 high. We're always going to alternate. So from the 4, 5, 6, we're going to go to 1, 2, 3, then 4, 5, 6, then 1, 2, 3, then 4, 5, 6. This can't be a 6, which means neither of these can be 3. Because neither of these are 3, that makes a 1, 2 pair, which makes this the 3 and this the 6. This cannot be 6 now. This can't be 3 now. This can't be 3 now. We can do the same thing down here. This needs to be from 4, 5, 6, but it can't be 6. So this is from 1, 2, because it can't be 3, because it's not next to a 6. And now this is from 4, 5, 6, and this has to be the 3, which forces this to be the 6. This is not 6, this is not 3, this is not 6. All right, well, we have a 1, 2 pair here, so the remaining digits are from 3, 4, 5. I'm not sure if that's helpful yet. We do have these Renbans, so what are we going to do here? So we could be 1, 2, 3, or we could be 2, 3, 4, or we could be 4, 5, 6. No, we can't be 4, 5, 6 because there's a 6 here. So this is either 1, 2, 3 or 2, 3, 4. Let's get rid of these 3s here. And there's always a 2 and a 3 here. So we can kind of corner mark that. But the 3 can only go here. If I didn't have a 3, none of this would work. So 3 is forced. And the 3 is with either a 2 and a 4 or a 1 and a 2. And so this can't be 1 or this can't be 2. It can't be 3. It could be the 1 or the 4 that's not on here, or it could be the 5. So how about this one? So we actually must put a 6 on it. This 6 stays over. There's no 6 in this box other than on this Renban. So this is 4, 5, 6 for sure. These are not 6s, so this has to be the 6. That leaves a 4, 5 pair here, so this is not 4. This 4 or 5 pair here makes this a 6, makes this not a 4. Now we know this is a 1, 2, 3 Renban. And so this cannot be a 1. That leaves a 4 or 5 pair here. All right, this 4 or 5 pair makes this a 3. That's helpful. That places this 3. This is a 1 or a 2, which makes a 1, 2 pair, so this is a 3. All right, so what's going to resolve all this? You know, I bet it's probably the whispers that we need to look at a bit more closely. Yeah, so this cell here, what would happen if it were 2? Well, 2 plus 3 is 5. That would require both of these to be a 5. So that's not going to happen. This is a 1, this is a 2. That forces the 5 here and the 4 here. This is now a 2, which forces the 5, and then the 1 and 4 are done. And then the rest of this should just resolve from normal Sudoku. Just plunk the digits that are not red. All right, and there we go. We are done. 4 minutes 12. So let me know how you did in the comments. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, then why not leave a like and subscribe?